Hey everyone, want to turn images into videos with Pika AI? In this video, I'll show you how to transform a photo into an AI-generated video step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Pika AI website. Sign in to your account or create one if you haven't already. Next, click Create and choose the image to video option if it's available. Then upload the image you want to animate. Now write a detailed prompt explaining how you want the image to move. You can describe camera motion, facial expressions, object movement, lighting, or special effects for better results. Next, adjust your project settings, such as video length, aspect ratio, quality, and visual style, depending on the available options. Click Generate and wait while Pika AI creates your video. The processing time may vary based on your prompt and current server activity. Once your video is ready, preview it and make changes if needed. You can edit the prompt and generate another version until you're satisfied. Finally, download your finished video or share it directly from the platform if sharing options are available. And that's how you turn images into videos with Pika AI. With the right prompt and settings, you can create eye-catching AI animations in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.